Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Kaya ako ay kusang nagpasalamat. Kumakanta nang wala sa tono at saka wala sa lyrics. Ewan ko lang sa'yo, Gats. Okay? Thank you for the plus to subscriber. At least I have, diba? So, I'm very happy that even my videos is not continue download because as of what I'm telling stuck up na yung gallery ko. It's not really good. So, pag-i-erase, pag-delete ko yung mga previous mga souvenir and memories, sayang naman din. Okay? So, kaya gaya nito, nagda-download ako. So, automatic na, nagbi-video ako. I-download ko na siya, i-delete ito. Kasi, hindi naman to for, hindi, kumbaga ba, hindi to pang tambay. Naka-automatic na siya, naka-save. At saka ma-download ko na sa channel ko na na beginning channel ko. Kaya gano'n ang nangyayari. Yun na lang yung style ko. Kaya dito ako bumabanat na lang kahit yung background ko sa LS ko na gano'n pa rin, na palit-palitan lang ba, alternate kung alin ang pwede kong maigamit. Ang continue, ang importante for me that I can continue every day. Even my WH is sometimes it's go down and up, but it's okay. At least that it's continue. It's still updated and someday somehow, that's what I'm telling always, na not forever I'm here. Not forever that I stay here as a housemaid, as a OFW. So there is a change and there is a challenge and there is a changes of my channel, that what I have now. That I'm building a 2 channel, that what I have. So, magiging okay rin yan. Someday and somehow, I can't fix only to see awards because I need pa to continue support to my nephew and my niece to their what's that, in the university, going to the school, what I mean. So now, I'm very thankful